Yes, it's Massive Crew back once again with another video, and I've just done my exercise routine and I'm pretty much huffing and puffing, and I wanted to share that with you. I call it my lockdown exercise routine, which consists of running up and down the house. I'm not even going outside right now, serious, it's that deep. So guys, a quick heads up, yeah, there's a petition out at the moment for a new medication, and it's called chloroquine. And apparently they're using that in the States at the moment, and it's making good progress in towards the treatment of patients that have tried it, and then by trying it they've not actually progressed into having needed to go to intensive care. So apparently there's through the grapevine, I'm not sure how credible this is, but I did see it on the news. They were talking about it, and basically there's a petition because they're not using it in the UK, and obviously because lack of testing. But the way I see it, if so many people are going to die, then it should be, maybe it's their right whether they want to try something to see if it works or not, because right about now I'm trying all the herbs under the sun. I know this is not herbal remedy, but anyway, I'll put a link to the description where you can sign the petition if you want to take part in that. I have signed it because I feel that it does make sense in that cause, and I thought I'd just plug that on my video to try and do a service to the community. Also, don't forget to smash that like button, people. I know so many people watch the videos and not many people press like, so I really appreciate to see that like go up more than normal now, because this is a time when we really need to flipping come together and support each other. Okay guys, this is my second day on lockdown with the family. Today I've just started doing a bit of exercise, a bit of a struggle at first, but I feel like I'm getting into it now. So I'm going to do jogging from one end of the house to the next, and then just keep running up and down, and then I'm going to do burpees, but be careful with the burpees, they're a bit harsh, a bit shadow boxing, and then maybe some press-ups, and let's see how I feel. But the press-ups and the burpees are probably going to be a bit heavier on the chest area, so be careful with that. But at the same time, I'm going to definitely do the jogging. That's like a little bit of light jogging in the house that can run. There you have it, people. My home exercise. Keep you fit for this lockdown period. Whew. Oh man. Boy, I've got to admit, I haven't been doing no cardio for a while, so I don't know if that's making me so unfit or it's this thing. But you know what I mean? A good sweat never killed nobody. Until now. Woo. This thing is serious, people. Make sure you isolate yourself. You've got to take it serious. Got to just lock up. Forget about money right now. Put it on your coronavirus card. That coronavirus card that you just make up. You owe people money, you owe your rent, you owe whatever. You just say to people, boy, you know, Corona. Got to put it on a Corona card, bro, because there's no money coming in right now. And it helps survival mode. That's what it's about. Everyone going into survival budget. Keep your money in your pocket for your survival purposes. Anything else, put it on a corona card and then hand it to the government. Nurses and doctors out there working real hard, trying to keep it safe. They need their own tax-free life after this. Again, and a corona card for life, because they're the only ones helping us right now, and there's no cure for this thing. I haven't been this out of breath doing exercise for a long time, and I'm not saying that I've got it, man, but things have been feeling weird recently, not normal. But I'm breathing. That's all a man could ask for. I'm breathing, my heart's pumping. That's why I wanted to get my heart pumping even more. Ain't that right, Doobie? There you go. Yeah? Isn't it? Look, she's worried about me. She's thinking, why is he puffing like that? Hey? Yeah. Hopefully tomorrow I'll wake up and benefit from this exercise. Guys, get your exercise in there. Just run up and down your house, and I wanted to share that with you. I call it my lockdown exercise routine, which consists of running up and down the house. I'm not even going outside right now, serious, it's that deep. I just got my food in the cupboard, and you know, everyone's here and my family's here, and everyone. But my daughter's in Birmingham, West Birmingham as well. Yeah, I'd love for her to come here, but her circumstances just don't allow it. And yeah, I've got to say, it's worrying every day. It's worrying about your finances. You know, there's not much help out there financially from the government, apart from the fact that people that work in, and anybody got employers as kind enough as me to agree not to lay my staff off. You know, I could the very worst offer them sick pay, which is going to drain me slowly from now until this thing ends. And if I run out of funds in between now and then they would have to be laid off. But hopefully that's not the case. According to the Chancellor, they will be refunded. Sorry, not refunded. They will be funded 80% of their wages, and I have to make a claim at the end of April, which is 2 months away, to claim those funds back. So anyway, I'm going to talk more about that in another video. Peace out.